Hi, it's Adam from Rustle Spark. I had a baby girl. Well, that was 18 years ago, and now she's looking at college. And as the founder of a company that does branding and marketing, which is essentially helping people make decisions, I felt a little surprised at how hard it was to give her meaningful guidance on picking through a bunch of great options that she's looking at in front of her. And so in the process of thinking through the problem, what I came up with was basically a spreadsheet that let her figure out what's important to her, kind of rank those things, and then evaluate each of her options in light of those criteria. And a lot of friends come to me with difficult decisions they're working through, and I've found myself offering this tool and people have found it useful. So I cleaned it up a little and now I'm offering it to you. Welcome to the Rustle Spark Decision Helper. So the way that you use this is you put your different options that you're considering up here and the attributes that you'll be evaluating them on down here. So let's say we're picking colleges. Let's say we need to decide between UVA, Duke, UNC, Emory, and University of Lynchburg. All strong options. All right, so let's say we've got big enough because we want something that's we like a big school. We want to go to a big pond. Beautiful campus. Cost. Let's go. We'll say, is it big enough? That's pretty important to me. I really want to be in an environment that inspires me. Cost is very important. Sport that I want, maybe, I don't know if that's going to continue when I'm an adult. The arts program. UVA, big. It is pretty big. Is it gorgeous? Oh, it's so gorgeous. Cost, it's gotten kind of expensive. The sport that we want, well, they have all the sports. But, let's say you were also considering, an arts-specific school. It's got a strong reputation. Culture is good, and community among alumni. Say that. All right, so based on this, now we can see that, hey, UVA came out on top. Oh, it makes me so happy. With UNC in second place, if you like UVA, you're probably going to like UNC, so that makes a lot of sense. All right, so now it's up between Emory and University of Lynchburg. UVA and UNC are tied for first. Emory and University of Lynchburg are tied for second. And oftentimes, the tool will get you this far and you realize that it's clarified things enough that you do have a gut sense of which of these you'd prefer. Well, now I just took 5 options down to a first choice, second choice, which is a much easier decision. And if you're in any kind of iterative decision-making process where there's like a back and forth or a negotiation, this can help you clarify which points are most important to you and where you can give ground. And so this can be a way of using the tool, not just to help you make a decision, but after an initial round to help you decide what things you want to ask for and what things you can let go of to have a productive negotiation where everyone feels happy. And that's how you use it. If you have ideas for how to improve this or you have questions about how to use it, the email address is right here. Reach out, hello@rustleandspark.com. So I hope you found that useful. Please, in the comments or shoot me an email, tell me your story. How did you use it? How did you find the experience of using it? And what did you decide? And how did it work out? Let me know. And if you have comments, questions, or ideas for how to make it better, please reach out. Good luck.